You hit what? Good morning, YouTube. We are here today with my 2013 F30 BMW 335i xdrive msport. Holy cow, that is a mouthful. Speaking of cows, the reason this car has no front end, the previous owner hit a cow. I am not joking. So today we've got some new parts to throw on. We've got a GTS hood, M-style fenders. Don't come at me. I would have used factory stuff, but for the same price, why not put nicer stuff on? So we've got that stuff here with me today. We've got it all painted up, ready to go on. Figured I'd take the time to show you guys how they fit. None of the stuff is Kappa quality besides the front bumper. If you don't know, Kappa is a little bit higher standard of fitment quality. Insurance companies usually require it, for shops that are installing new parts. You know, sensor holes, things like that just line up better. All right, guys, so you've seen some of the parts now that we're gonna be throwing on. I'm not gonna film the whole process of putting them on. I'll just do a time lapse for you guys. There's plenty of good videos on how to install that stuff. Keys Motorsports has a really great video. They're the ones that I got the hood from and the fenders from, so you can go ahead and check them out. Brian over there, he's great at throwing together comprehensive videos on how to do this stuff. So with that being said, I'll take you through once it's fitted up, how everything looks, and we'll go from there.
Fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.
Alright guys, so the F30 is back together. Gave up on it last night. It got cold, dark, and wet. So we're back today. I got some good clips of it down here at the boat launch next to my house. It looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to share with you guys some of those shots and some of the panel gaps and things of the sort. We'll take it for a drive, see how that sounds. And man, this thing does need a front lip. So we've got one ordered up, and the next video will most likely be the front lip, unless stuff for the Duramax comes first. So stay tuned, we will get into all of that. Alright guys, so I've shown you some clips of what the car looks like. Let's go see what it sounds like. That GTS hood makes a huge difference on all the fun noises. That Denon cold air intake and that Turbo Smart blow-off valve are really working now. So, great sounds out of a daily driver. Definitely a fun bonus benefit to the GTS hood besides just looks. So I don't know if it would make any difference really in terms of cooling. I wouldn't count on it. But it looks great, fits great, the sounds are even better. So I'm extremely happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, do the thing, help me create this channel, and stick around. I've got a carbon fiber front lip coming in next that we'll install. I'll go over the rear carbon fiber lip just so that it's kind of, you know, front and the back matching. And then I'm going to introduce you guys to my Denali Duramax. We have a bunch of front end suspension and steering parts to put on. We've got front shocks to polish, wheels to polish. So that'll be fun. So I'll bring that to you guys soon, and maybe give you guys a little sneak peek on some of the parts that are coming for that. And hope you guys stick around. So thank you.